Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to send money through Western Union online. To send money through Western Union, the first step is to open the Western Union app. Once you have the app open, click on the Send Money button on the home screen. After that, you need to choose the country where you are sending money. The app might default to a specific country, but you can easily change it by either scrolling through the list of countries or using the search feature. Once you have selected the country, you'll see the maximum amount you can send. For example, you might be able to send up to $7,500 to that country. Now, you can enter the amount of money you want to send. You can choose to send the money in US dollars or in the local currency of the recipient's country. Next, you need to decide how the recipient will receive the money. There are several options like cash pickup, bank transfer, or mobile money transfer. Cash pickup is often the most common option. The cost for each option will vary, and you will see the price change depending on what you select. If you choose cash pickup, you will also be able to see how much it costs for the recipient to pick up the cash at a Western Union location. Now, select how you want to pay for the transfer. You can either pay online using a debit card or other payment methods, or pay in person at a store. If you choose to pay in person, there will be an additional fee. If you decide to pay online, the fee may be lower and the money could arrive faster. Once you have selected the payment method, you will see the total fee and the estimated delivery time. If everything looks good, click on the Next button to proceed. The next step is to choose the recipient of the money. If this is the first time you're sending money to this person, click on Add a new receiver. You'll need to enter their full name, which must match their identification. You can also add their email address and mobile number so that they can receive updates about the transfer. Some countries may also require additional identification details, such as an ID number or social security number, depending on the country's regulations. After adding the recipient's details, click Next. Now, you'll need to choose how to fund the transfer. If you already have a credit or debit card linked to your account, you can choose it from the list. If not, you can add a new card by entering your card details. Once you've selected your payment method, click Next. You will now see a confirmation screen that summarizes all the details of the transaction. This screen will show the amount you are sending, the fee, and the estimated delivery time. Scroll down to review everything, and if everything looks good, accept the terms and conditions. When you're ready, click the Send button to complete the transfer. After sending the money, you will receive a confirmation email from Western Union. You will also receive a unique MTCN number, which is a reference number for the transaction. The recipient will need this number, along with their ID, to pick up the money at a Western Union location. That's it.